structured routine. Follow a clear, daily plan with a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises designed to maximize calorie burn and improve muscle tone. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Incorporate 20 to 30 minutes of HIIT workouts every other day. These short bursts of intense activity are scientifically proven to burn fat efficiently. Strength training. Focus. Use bodyweight exercises like push-ups, planks, and squats to build lean muscle, which boosts your metabolism and enhances fat burning. Daily walks or light cardio. Commit to a brisk 30-minute walk or light jogging daily to complement your workout routine and keep your body active. Hydration goals. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Proper hydration supports metabolism and reduces cravings. Meal prep strategy. Prepare balanced meals ahead of time, focusing on lean proteins, whole grains, and vegetables. Avoid impulsive eating. Protein-packed breakfasts. Start each day with a high-protein breakfast, for example, eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie to boost metabolism and reduce hunger throughout the day. Mindful eating practices. Slow down while eating to better recognize fullness cues. Avoid distractions like TV or smartphones during meals. Portion control. Use smaller plates and measure serving sizes to prevent overeating and maintain a calorie deficit. Limit sugar and processed foods. Cut out sugary drinks, snacks, and processed foods. These are empty calories that contribute to weight gain. Intermittent fasting option. Try a 16 to 8 fasting approach, eating only within an 8-hour window each day to promote fat loss while maintaining energy levels. Stay consistent with sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Poor sleep disrupts hunger hormones and can lead to overeating. Daily stretching. Include 10 minutes of stretching or yoga daily to reduce muscle soreness, improve flexibility, and support recovery. Track your progress. Use a fitness app or journal to record workouts, meals, and weight loss progress to stay motivated. Snack smart. Swap chips and sweets for healthy snacks like almonds, carrots, or fruits to curb hunger without adding excess calories. Build a support system. Involve friends or family in your challenge for encouragement and accountability, or join online fitness communities. Incorporate rest days. Take 1 or 2 rest days per week to prevent burnout and allow your muscles to recover. Mental health boosts. Pair exercise with stress-reducing activities like meditation or breathing exercises to keep emotional eating at bay. Set realistic goals. Break your challenge into smaller milestones to celebrate progress, such as losing an inch off your waist or fitting into a favorite outfit. Reward yourself. Treat yourself with non-food rewards like a new workout outfit or relaxing massage to celebrate your commitment to the program. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more.